Hello again, my dears! In the previous tutorial I showed how easily make two parts from pearls, and in this video I will show you what comes out of them. Watch the video to the end and don't forget to like and write your comments and thoughts. Enjoy watching! I haven't posted my new tutorials on the channel for a long time, but now I add shorts frequently. You will find jewelry presentation and quick educational videos in shorts. Welcome to the community, write comments and put your thumbs up so that I can make more videos for you. That's all for today. Bye bye!